BZH here from BigZachsHouse. Today I got the new GoPro Hero 10 with the accessory kit. This ran me $400. I bought this directly from GoPro. This is my second GoPro that I bought directly from GoPro. I usually buy them from Best Buy or Amazon. Best Buy in particular with the Geek Squad protection. This set would normally be just for the GoPro in general. It's priced at $499 if you would buy this from Best Buy, and it does not come with the accessory bundle. GoPro is running a great sale right now. I'll have my GoPro affiliate link on there. If you guys are interested, please use my link. That'll be appreciated. One of the accessories this came with was a SanDisk 32 gigabyte. This is what I've been using, the Hero 9. I've been using this memory card. The only thing that sucks about this, doesn't come with the adapter if you want to put it into your laptop to update the footage. So you would need one of those. So here you go, Hero 10. Again, there's some notable upgrades from the last one. It has the GP2 processor, the other one has the GP1. The megapixels, captures is a lot better. And 5.3K, 60 frames per second. And I'm pretty sure it can go deeper in water. This one's 33 feet. Like the older model, this one comes with the neat little carrying case to help protect the camera. Just looking at the box here, pretty standard box than the normal ones. Some of the information in the back, 8x slow-mo, data overlays. This does the, it's got a webcam mode. We're gonna see if this one has some upgrades to the other camera, the Hero 9. I'm filming this with my Hero 9. I use my Hero 9 for all of my videos. The one thing I'm excited to get from this one is the accessory bundle. Super stoked to get the tripod mount and another extra battery. The extra batteries have come, they've been very convenient, we will say, on the Hero 9, since I use it a lot, especially doing a ton of my speed builds with my Lego. Having this has been great, and extra batteries popping in there when the battery's getting ready to die. So here we go. Here's the inside of the box. Everything is inside this nice carrying case here. All the different mounts with the swivel mount here, the GoPro here, 2 batteries, and the tripod. Right now, this isn't available on Amazon, but it will have an Amazon affiliate link for the tripod mount, which seemed to be a pretty hot video that I posted on there. So we will again, I'm going to do a full out review on the tripod mount, and I'm excited to start using it. Right now I'm still using my Sony tripod mount, so I'm excited to start using the GoPro one. It'll give me, I think, a little better angle with some of my my videos with the speed builds. So here's the GoPro. This is what everybody's been looking forward to here. Pretty similar, just looking at it, just like the Hero 9. It's out of here. I don't know if I'm gonna save these, kind of keep everything organized, just kind of throw it in there. There we go. Get all this paper off here. Definitely similar in size, pretty much the same build as the Hero 9 is. Your camera must be updated before you can use it, so we'll go ahead and get that upgraded. Did it off screen. Same charging port here, and same place to put the memory card. Looks like the same exact batteries as the other one too, so that's good. So if you have a Hero 9, you want to make an upgrade, you could have potentially 4 batteries. You got the screen on the front here, screen on the back, button here. Everything looks pretty much the same. I think this part may be a little bit smaller than the Hero 9. A little different. I think the blue on the front here. The other GoPro has, I think, either silver or white on the front. So I like the styling on this. It looks pretty nice. Let's see, you got your microphone in the front, all the covers here. Hero 10 black on the side. We have here one of the mounts that it came with. We got our charger cable here. I don't know how much I'm going to use this particular mount. Looks like you can just kind of put this on a table or something and you use it for that. This wasn't really, this was kind of nice throw in, but I don't know how much I plan on using this. We got 2 screws here. A couple other little mounting devices here. I like these. I use these a little bit with my hockey helmet. It's got the curve on here, so it fits well on the helmet. Kind of stick it on there. I've never really had a problem. Actually, I have more problem ever getting these things off. I had one on my last car, so if you plan on using this, just keep in mind it's probably never going to come off whatever you put it on. So all these different mounts, pretty neat here. So it's been a while since I've done one of these unboxings for a brand new product. When I got the Hero 9, it was already out for quite some time. So I'm real excited to use this. I'm going to be doing comparison videos between the Hero 9, Hero 10, testing out all the footage. I'm gonna put them side by side, and at the very end, I'll let you guys know if I think it's worth upgrading. If you already have the Hero 9, if it's worth upgrading to the Hero 10, or if you have previous models from me. My last GoPro before the 9 was the 5, so I made a considerable upgrade. I think that the 9 was a much improved camera over the 5. So I'm excited to get going with this. Here's all the insides. Again, here's the 2 batteries. We're gonna be doing reviews on all the mounts. I don't even have oh, that's pretty neat. Just open this up like this. I assume, I'll check that out. That's neat. So I'm gonna be using this tripod mount a lot. So super stoked for this. I don't know if it's more than the camera, but I was actually gonna buy one of these separately when I ordered the GoPro, and I saw the accessory pack and it kind of worked out. I'm gonna be using this a lot for some of my my speed builds. I think it's gonna give me a better angle. My current tripod sits considerably higher, so it's a higher angle. So excited to start using all this stuff. Gonna be a lot of test videos. There's supposed to be a new image stabilization with this camera, which is an upgrade from the 9 to the 10. That's supposed to be even smoother. Interested to see how that works, because the 9's already super smooth when you have it. And again, we're gonna go through side-by-side comparisons. I'm gonna go over all the different features, all the specifications, side-by-side. We're gonna test all the features. I'm gonna do a big comparison video, Hero 9 versus Hero 10. So let me know what you guys think. I'm excited to start using this camera. I've been using the 9 a lot, so this will be getting used a ton. Thank you guys for watching, and please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm excited to start making some other videos with the Hero 10.